Hey there traders, this is Steve Marley, the market chartist for FX Explained, and our regular weekly MacroWatch update for the week commencing the 2nd of May 2022. Disappointing tech earnings leave stocks vulnerable after erratic April end. Let's kick off by looking at those macroeconomic and geopolitical developments from the past week. Well, we had disappointing earnings results from the tech sector, including Alphabet and Amazon, and concerning forward guidance from Apple, which eclipsed more solid numbers from Meta. The US core PCE price index year-on-year data, the Fed's preferred inflation gauge, posted its first deceleration in over a year, whilst the year-on-year headline number missed estimates. Pandemic lockdowns in China are weighing on the country's growth and intensifying global supply chains and inflation worries. Now let's look at the global financial market developments from last week ending the 29th of April. While tech remains vulnerable, those tech earnings weighing on markets in here, global indices, with the Nasdaq 100 here hitting a new low for 2022. However, European indices were looking less vulnerable, did sell off last week but did get a rebound and not as negative as their US counterparts. The US dollar remains king, surging to yet another new multi-year high. And the dollar versus the yen in here, reflecting an extremely weak yen in here, and also the strength of the dollar moving to a multi-decade peak. With the US dollar strength, gold is looking more bearish, breaking to the downside out of its range since March. But oil rebounded in here and is still remaining in a consolidation phase. And with that US dollar strength, copper also pushing back to the downside, reinforcing the prior week's vulnerability and looking for further potential losses going into this week. Now let's take a look at the week ahead, commencing the 2nd of May. Well, Monday the 2nd of May is a UK holiday. Markets are closed. There is an OPEC Plus meeting on Thursday the 5th of May. And we're still going to be closely monitoring the war in Ukraine. On the central bank side, we get the RBA on Tuesday. We get the FOMC, which is going to be the key event for the week, on Wednesday. And Thursday, we get the Bank of England. So looking forward to the week, we've got the 2nd of May, Monday, UK markets closed, German retail sales, then global S&P manufacturing PMI and US ISM manufacturing PMI all come through on Monday. Tuesday brings the RBA interest rate decision and statement of press conference. We get the S&P UK manufacturing PMI data, and we get German unemployment and ECB's Lagarde speaks. Wednesday brings New Zealand employment report, and then we get the services PMI data from the S&P and also from the ISM on Wednesday, and we get that all-important Fed decision on Wednesday. And then we get the OPEC Plus meeting Thursday, UK service PMI data also Thursday, and the Bank of England decision. And then on Friday we get the always much watched US employment report and also Canadian employment report. I'm going to wish you all a great trading week. Stay safe out there, and I'll be back with you next week with another Macro Watch. So traders, don't forget to catch us on the next FX Explained Macro Watch and all the great content on fxexplained.co.uk.